జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. I put lot of effort. Finally I am able to come and see you. Now nakalah parisochitum. This is not right time for you to cry anymore. Oh Sitamma, very soon all of your troubles are going to be completely washed off. O Sitamma, both of them, Rama and Lakshmana, Tvad-darsana krutotsahau, they are very much excited to see you. They are very much excited to come and see you as soon as possible. In that process, they are very much ready to Lankam bhasmikarishyataha. They are very much ready to burn this entire Lanka into ashes. हो विशालाक्षी सीतादेवी हत्वा तु समरे क्रूरं रावणं सह बान्धवं. They are very much ready to, Rama and Lakshmana very much ready to kill Ravana along with his entire of his entourage. And they are very much excited to take you out of this place and get back to Ayodhya. Like that, Anjaneya Swami comforting Sita Devi. After Hanuma comforted Sita Devi, Hanuma also asking, "Oh Sita Devi, can you please give me another indication which I can show to Sri Ramachandra Swami?" When Hanuma asked like that, Sitamma saying that, "Hanuma, I already gave you Abhijnanam, that is Chudamani. That Chudamani is Matkesa Bhushanam. That is an ornament which I used to put for my hair." The moment Rama looks at that Chudamani, Shraddheyam Hanumanvakyam Tavaveera Bhavishyati. Definitely Rama would believe in everything that you tell. That much Rama likes and loves Chudamani. With that, he would believe everything what you say. When Sitamma said like that, Hanuma has taken Chudamani and did namaskaram to Sita Devi and getting ready to go back to Ramachandra Swami. In that process, Hanuma increasing his body and getting ready to take off and fly. When Hanuma getting ready like that, Sitamma has seen, and again Asrupurna Mukhi Deena Bashpagat Gadaya Gira. Sitamma with her eyes filled up with tears and with choked voice, Sitamma saying to Hanuma like this, "Hanuma, please tell, I inquired about Rama and Lakshmana. Please tell Sugriva that I inquired. Oh Hanuma, soon after you go, you have to tell all the things so that Rama would come immediately here. Do not delay anymore. Soon after you reach there, you have to tell everything that is happening here. Imancha Tivram Mama Soka Vegam." The intense grief that I am going through, the intense troubles that I am going through, you have to tell as it is everything to Rama. And how much these Rakshasas frightening me, you have to tell everything as it is to Rama. Sitamma said like that, and also wishing, "Oh Hanuma, you may have safe travel back." Like that, when Sitamma said, now Hanuma, he is very happy that he could see Sita Devi. He is very happy that he could get some indications which he can show to Rama. Hanuma, he is very happy that he could successfully complete his work. And Hanuma is feeling happy that he is able to now go back and tell Rama exactly what happened here. With all this happiness, Hanuma is excited now. Disamhi udichim manasa jagama. He decided to fly back towards north to reach Sri Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.